The Segway Navimow i105N Robot Lawn Mower offers an innovative wire-free mowing solution using RTK GPS and AI-assisted mapping, perfect for small yards up to 1/8 acre, delivering a seamless lawn maintenance experience. One of its standout features is the perimeter wire-free operation. By eliminating physical boundary wires, it simplifies setup, making it easier than traditional robotic mowers, which often require extensive installation efforts. Advanced AI mapping efficiently creates virtual boundaries, ensuring precise mowing patterns. This accuracy minimizes overlap and missed spots, resulting in a well-manicured lawn without the usual fuss. App control enhances user convenience, allowing remote operation from a smartphone. You can set schedules, monitor progress, and adjust settings, giving you full control at your fingertips for maximum flexibility. The mower operates at a remarkably quiet 58 dBA, making it suitable for any time without disturbing neighbors. This feature is ideal for maintaining peace in your outdoor environment. Its ability to manage multiple lawn zones makes it ideal for complex yard layouts. It efficiently recognizes and mows different areas, providing versatility for intricate garden designs. However, the coverage area is limited to small lawns. For larger properties, this might be restrictive, necessitating consideration of more robust models to meet expansive mowing needs. Initial setup can be complex, especially for those unfamiliar with tech. Despite being wire-free, mapping and calibration can be time-consuming, requiring patience to fine-tune virtual boundaries. The Segway Navimow i105N is an excellent choice for small, simple yards. Its advanced features and quiet operation offer a tech-savvy, efficient mowing experience, though its higher cost and GPS reliance may not suit everyone.